Y'all, this is mind-blowing, okay? Because in order to be qualified for this particular loan, you do not need any minimum gross annual revenue in your business. In addition to that, you do not need any minimum time in business. So it doesn't matter if your business started 2 weeks ago, your business started a month ago, all right? There's no minimum time in business required to be qualified for this loan. And number 3, the minimum FICO score required is only 580. Are you a business owner looking for funding for your business, or somebody who have applied for business funding before in the past and have been denied? Listen, y'all, I am super excited about today's episode because I want to introduce to you one of the best financing solutions for your business. So keep watching. Well, hello, beautiful people. It's your girl Shy-Bivia, and welcome back to my channel. Listen, if you are new here, thanks for stopping by and hitting that play button. On this channel, I share lifestyle, side hustle, and business gems that can help you improve the quality of your life and business. Listen, y'all, I'm not going to do any lollygagging today. I'm going to jump right into today's episode and share with you how you can get fast funding for your business today, all right? Regardless of if you have a 580 credit score, all right? Listen closely. You're going to want to tune in on today's episode. Now, the company that I want to introduce to you today is called Rock Financial. Now, I'll have the link below where you can go ahead and submit your application. It literally takes like 5 minutes. But let me just go over right now and show you all of their amazing features, benefits, and products that they have to offer. Now, first things first, before I even go over to their products and services, let me tell you, if you're wondering if this company is legit, as you can see here, they are rated 5.0, okay? They have a 5-star rating on Google, over 430 something Google reviews. All right, this is very, very rare. So you know they are legit and they are a reputable financing solutions for businesses. Now over here, you can see that they offer term loans, lines of credit, equipment financing. They also offer working capital loans, SBA loans, and invoice loans. All right, you can get funded, as you see here, in as little as 1 to 3 days, and you can get loan terms from 6 months up to 10 years. All right, now I want to show you something here real quick. As you can see, they're also rated on Trustpilot, right? Their rating on Trustpilot is excellent. All right, they have a lot of phenomenal reviews. Let me tell you, y'all, this is one of the easiest ways to get funding for your business. How it works in 5 simple steps. You just apply online. The application process is pretty simple. It takes less than 5 minutes. All right, you meet your advisor, you review your financing options to determine which financing option is best, and review all your options. You choose an offer and you get funded in as little as a few hours in your bank account. Now with Rock Financial, there is no cost, right, to have your advisor. Also, for every deal that they fund, 50 meals are donated, right, to Feeding America for every deal that they fund. Here you can see that they have amazing reviews on Google, right? They are rated as well by the Better Business Bureau, SBFA, and EFA, the National Alliance of Commercial Loan Brokers, IFA. They are accredited, all right? And they are a reputable company. Now, as you can see here, you're going to want to pay attention to this. They also have no minimum FICO score loan options available. It says here, bad credit, no problem. Most of our top financing options have no minimum credit scores as well. So they also do have this option available. For those of you who are still building your personal credit, they also do have financing options for you if you don't have the best credit score, all right? In one of my previous videos, by the way, I also mentioned and shared with you a credit management platform that you can use to even boost your credit score. You can check out the link in my description as well. Now, I also want to mention that some of their loans do have specific qualifications. For example, for their term loans, similar to traditional bank style financing, a term loan is a set amount a borrower pays back at a fixed amount. The common uses for these types of loans are business expansion, working capital, and equipment purchases. Now, the benefits of having a term loan is that you get traditional APR, no prepayment penalties. You have monthly payments available if you choose to do a term loan with them. You have rates starting at 7.99, and you can get funding in as little as 1 to 3 days. Now, the qualifications for their term loans is 2 years in business, no bank liens or foreclosures in the last 3 years. And for this term loan specifically requires you to have a 660 FICO score. Again, they do have options available that does not require you to have good credit as well. But for their term loans, that's their qualification. Now, for their unsecured working capital, this may work better for most of you, right? With an unsecured working capital isn't technically a loan, but rather a cash advance that is paid back by withdrawing a percentage of your credit sales, typically on a daily basis. So the benefits of this is it's fully customizable based on business needs, no compounding interest. Funds can be used for any use, payback based on the sales on the business, right? Now, to be qualified for this type of loan, there's no minimum credit score needed for this, right? You have to be in business for at least 3 months. So if you've been in business for at least 3 months and your business makes at least $5,000 a month, you can be eligible for this unsecured working capital. Now, what's beautiful about this is because, you know, a lot of you may be just starting out your business, maybe less than a year, right? And you may need additional funding now to expand your business, right? As long as you've been in business for 3 months, you can be eligible for this loan. And as long as you make at least $5,000 per month. And this is far better than a lot of the other lending solutions out there that requires you to make at least 10K. That's usually harder to do for a lot of new businesses. So with this lending solution going through Rock Financial, as long as you've been in business for at least 3 months, all right, that's very doable. As long as you've been in business for 3 months, all right. So if you're watching this video now and you don't yet have your business entity set up, right, once you have your business entity set up and you start making some money, at least $5,000 a month, it doesn't matter your credit score, right? In 3 months, you can be eligible for their working capital loan. This is one of the easiest and simplest ways to get funding for your business. And I know some of you will say, you know, $5,000 a month is a lot to come by, you know, for a new business. Right now, figure out a way, if you're not making at least $5,000, you know, gross at least in your business, figure out a way how you can start making some more money or some more sales, get some more clients, get some more customers in your business. I've also talked about in the past, you know, ways that you can increase your sales and get more customers and clients for your business. Recently, also, I've just launched a new course, the Email Marketing Accelerator. For those of you who are saying email marketing is dead, that is absolutely not true. All right, you can monetize your email list and make passive income. You can grow your business revenue with email marketing. So in my Email Marketing Accelerator course, which you can find the link below, I dived in on how you can create landing pages, get people to opt in, create lead magnets, how you can automate your emails, right, and master the art of email marketing and increase your sales for your business, right? If you want to sign up for my course, use the link below and use the code Income Growth 10X. Again, that's Income Growth 10X, and you will find the information below as well if you want to take your business to the next level and make some extra money in your business. All right, I even dropped some extra gems on there and how you can grow and optimize your YouTube channel, okay? How you can grow on one of the largest search engines in the world. All right, I even dropped some gems on podcasting and all that good stuff. Okay, listen, I have a whole bunch of gems, all right, in my email marketing course, so you can find the link below. If you choose not to get the course, it won't be because you can't afford it, okay? Because I made the course super affordable. Not everything and not all my courses and products is for everybody, and that's okay. But if email marketing is something that you've been curious about and you want to find other ways outside of social media, because people aren't always on social media, right? You want to make sure that you're having direct access to your clients, to your customers, and email marketing is the way to go. It never gets old. All right, so if this is you, go ahead and check out my course in the description below. All right, now back to Rock Financial. You see here, they have loan terms from $10,000 to $5 million. They have flexible terms, and you can get funding in as little as the same day. Let me tell you, I have direct contact with their team as well, and they are phenomenal. They are on top of things. Okay, let me tell you, they don't let things slip through the cracks. They will follow up with you, let you know what you need, to move forward and all of that good stuff. So they are top notch. All right. And, I can see why they have a 5-star rating on Google. You don't really find that. So definitely check them out. If you are looking for funding for your business, I'm telling you, go ahead and check out Rock Financial. You will be in good hands. All right. Like I said before, the team is incredible. The team over there by Rock Financial, shout out to them. They are amazing. Now, for their business lines of credit, what a business line of credit is. So a business line of credit provides flexibility for the business owner rather than a fixed amount issued at one time. A lot of business owners love the flexibility of business lines of credit. So rather than having a fixed loan amount, funds can be accessed as needs arise. So instead of just getting, let's say $10,000 now, right? You can just draw from your line of credit. Let's say you have a $20K line of credit limit, right? You can just pull $2,000 this month from your line of credit. Then you can pull $2,000 next month. So you can pull from your line of credit as the needs arise. That's one of the amazing benefits of having a line of credit. You only pay interest on the funds drawn. So let's say you have a $20K line of credit limit. You're not paying interest on the $20K. You're only paying interest on, let's say you pulled $2K from that line of credit, right? You'll only be paying interest on that $2,000 and not the $20K. Now, for the line of business lines of credit, you'll need to be in business for at least 6 months. So as long as you are in business for at least 6 months and you make a gross income of $5,000 per month, right? And there's no minimum FICO needed for you to get qualified for this business line of credit. All right. And you can get funding in as little as 1 to 3 business days. And they do have loan terms 6 months to 10 years, right? Loan amounts from $10K to $1 million. So for a lot of you, I know it will be like the unsecured working capital that may work best for you, or the business line of credit. All right. Like I said before, they also have accounts receivable. They offer equipment financing as well. Businesses typically use equipment loans to purchase business related equipment, right? Whether that's trucks, box trucks, vehicles and stuff like that to help you operate your business. Qualifications: no minimum in annual revenue. No minimum in annual revenue to get approved for this equipment loan, and no minimum time in business. All right. So if you've been in business for a month, you're probably not going to have that much revenue to show or to prove, right? But that does not matter with their equipment financing, right? So no minimum time in business required for this equipment loan, and no minimum annual gross revenue, and minimum FICO score is 580. All right, if you have a 580 or higher credit score with no time in business, no gross revenue, you can be eligible for this loan. So listen, y'all, and you can be funded in as little as 1 to 5 days. So listen, y'all, I'm done. Okay, I have said enough. All right, they have funding options for everybody. Whether you have a 580 credit score, whether you have bad credit, whether you have no income or gross income for your business, right? Whether you have been in business for 2 weeks, for 2 months, they have funding for you. All right, so no excuses. Definitely go and check out Rock Financial. The link again to apply will be in my description below. A lot of you have reached out to me me and have told me that a lot of the resources that I have been sharing on my channel have been helping you out. So I am happy that I'm able to provide some value to you. I'm wishing you all the best, okay? All the best in your business. Wishing you much success in your business. Listen, y'all, this is the year and the season, all right? Even though I say that every season, but this is the year and the season of abundance, okay? And acceleration and growth, building wealth and all of that good stuff. I like to apply biblical principles in my life and in business. And one of the ways to do that is to create businesses, okay? The Bible talks about creating businesses, creating and building generational wealth, all right? So if you are somebody who have been thinking about starting a business, go ahead and do it. I am rooting for you. You have to just start from somewhere. If you need help or any guidance on what direction to go in business, feel free to book a consultation with me. You can find that link as well in my description. I will help you to implement strategies to start, grow, and scale your business. Well, enough said, beautiful people. If you liked today's episode, feel free. Make sure that you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It literally takes a millisecond. All right, go ahead and hit that subscribe button over here and the notification bell as well. That way, whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Again, it's your girl Shy-Bivia. It was an absolute pleasure. Let's continue to grow those businesses and get financially healthy together. And I'll see you guys later. Be blessed. Bye.